Hello, guys. Welcome to the chapter 2 of our series on the Indian philosophical thought. Today, we will delve into some fundamental concept from the Vedic and the Upanishad philosophy. These ancient ideas explore the nature to the self, the stress of the consciousness, and the ultimate reality, the Brahman. We will look at Atman, or the individual self, and how it is understood in the relation to Brahman, the universal reality. This chapter also introduces the four stages of the consciousness: the waking, the dreaming, the deep sleep, and the transcendental state of Turiya. Additionally, we will cover the key ideas such as karma or the law of action, the rata, the cosmic order that binds the universe, and finally, we will examine the concept of rana or debts, which represent our obligation to various aspects of existence. So, join me as we explore these profound concepts, each offering the insights into the Vedic and the Upanishad quest for truth and the unity. So, at first, the Atman and the Brahman. So, in Vedic and Upanishadic thought, the Atman represent the individual or self or the soul, while the Brahman refers the ultimate, all encompassing the reality. Atman is not merely the ego or the personality, but the true, unchanging essence of a person. The Upanishad teach that Atman and Brahman are fundamentally identical, often summarized by the phrase Tattamasi, or this identity means that the true self within each individual is same as the universal reality, linking every being to the cosmos in a profound way. Means we are connected through the universe. This idea of the unity forms the heart of the Upanishad philosophy, teaching that the ultimate goal is to realize this oneness. Means the universe and you, this is not the two different things. They are all same, the same things. By understanding the Atman and as Brahman, one transcends the ignorance and achieves a state of liberation or the moksha. This concept of self realization challenges the notion of separation and instead fosters an awareness of interconnectedness with all the life and the existence itself. So, now the four states of the consciousness: the Jagrata, the Svapna, the Susupti, the Turiya. So, the Upanishad describe four states of the consciousness. Jagrata, the waking. In the waking state, Jagrata, a person is aware of the external world and interact with it through the senses or the sensory organs. In Svapna or dreaming, one experiences an inner world shaped by the mind but is not grounded in the physical reality. Susupti or the deep sleep is a state where the consciousness is inactive and without the distinct awareness of self or surroundings. The fourth state is Turiya, is a transcendental state of pure awarenesses beyond the other three. Turiya is not merely a mental state but a realization of the unity, where the distinction of the self and other dissolve. This progression through a state is meant to guide the individual toward the deeper self awarenesses, ultimately pointing to Turiya as the experience of Atman or pure consciousness that is one with Brahman. So, now the karma rata dana. The concept of karma rata dana in Vedic thought provide a foundation for the ethical and the cosmic order. The karma or action suggests that each deed has consciousness, influencing the future events and personal growth. It is a self regulating principle that reinforces the need for mindful living. The Rata or the cosmic order, it signifies the inherent balance and the harmony in the universe. It is a guiding force that ensures the natural and the moral or order, connecting individual actions with a greater whole. Rana or debts represent the obligations every person holds. to ancestor, God, teacher, and the society. These depths remind the individuals of their responsibilities to family, the community, and the divine, encouraging a balanced life of duty, gratitude. Together, these principles connect personal actions to the universal order, underscoring that the ethical choices are the part of a larger cosmic balance in the Vedic and the Upanishad philosophy. So, at last, in this chapter, we have journeyed through some of the essential teachings of the Vedic and the Upanishad tradition, Atman and the Brahman, the states of the consciousness, and the concepts like the karma, rata, dana, each contribute to a holistic understanding of the self, the universe, and the duty. These principles have shaped not only the spiritual pursuits but also the ethical and the social values in the Indian culture. They remind us that the life is interconnected, guided by the deeper truths and the responsibilities. I hope this exploration has inspired a new perspective on these ancient ideas and their relevance to our lives. So, thank you for joining and stay tuned as we continue to uncover the more philosophical thoughts in the next chapter, also. Okay.